everyone. Today I'm going to explain to you the computation of normal and counter voltage gap of an axial truss in a given axial displacement. Okay guys? So first, as you could see, we have a reading here from our dial gauge. We have 0 reading up to 320 micron. Okay? So this is our axial displacement. So to compute the volts corresponding from this axial displacement, we need to multiply it by the scale factor of the proximity sensor of 7.87 millivolts per micrometer. Okay, so we will multiply it by 320 micron multiplied by 7.87 millivolts per micron, equivalent to 2518 millivolts, equivalent to 2.58 volts. Okay guys, so to compute for the normal and counter voltage gap, so our value now is 2.518 volts. You divided by 2, so we can get for the normal and counter plus minus 1.259 volts. Okay, so to get our counter voltage, because the given for the center is 10 volts, so the counter voltage gap will be 10 plus 1.259 volts, so the equivalent of 11.259 volts. So that is for our counter voltage gap. So for the normal voltage gap, you subtract 10 minus 1.259 volts, so the equivalent is 8.74 volts. So to finalize now, our counter voltage is 11.259 volts and our normal voltage gap for equivalent to 8.741 volts. So that is guys, I hope you learned something on this video. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.